Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Starkey Warmstead. So I wanted to show you my unboxing. So we were sent a box of merchandise. So excited. Cannot wait to show you guys what this looks like. Now, Susie Bubbles, she designed all of this herself for Steven and I. And you guys, for the ones of you who did the $250 donations for the fire victims, here it is.
Look at me.
Look at you. Look how good that is. So she's got all three of my dogs. She's got my chickens and my rabbits. And she got organic. She has lacrosse. I mean, she did really well with these guys. Those match that. These are the bigger ones that, actually, these are the ones. If you did the donations of $250, this is the bag you get.
That's like a little ice chest bag.
Yes, look at that. And you will get your 1-year subscription for the newsletter. You will get your organic seeds, corn seeds. You'll get your worm castings, and you will get your Coleman fire starters, all in this bag with a thank you note for Steven and I. We offered that to 4 people, and they have already been done. Wow, Susie, you outdid yourself. Look at, come on, Jesus. Oh, friend, I don't wear baseball caps, but. Here, let me do you. Oh, that looks good.
Anything I put on looks good.
You're so bad. Wow. These are so nice. Friend, you did a great job. Folks, we are going to continue to fundraise, and these will be what I'm offering with the other gifts. Look at that. Look at that. You could be sporting this bag for a donation for the Maui victims.
My big old head on it.
This big old head on it. For anybody that sends money for the Maui donations for the fire victims. So let's go over that real quick. Our plane tickets are done. They were donated for free from a wonderful, amazing woman. I'll just use her first name, Lisa. The bags to help raise money were donated by a beautiful, wonderful woman. I'll just say Susie Bubbles. Steve and I came out of pocket for our room because we couldn't find anybody that had a room. So we have taken almost $5,000, and this channel's not monetized. So it's not YouTube money paying for it. It's coming out of our pockets to pay for the room. So any money we're raising, folks, that's going to the fire victims. Now, we're also selling the Scent of Dew candles, and I'll put the link for that if you want to purchase one of those. We make a few dollars off each candle, but it's a way of remembrance for the fire victims, because everything that we raise now, we can bring with us and give directly to those victims. So we love you guys. Thank you for being here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you later. So anybody over this weekend, the weekend we're in right now, that sends over $250 for the Maui fire victims, we will send you a thank you note, and you will get one of our merchandise bags and the hat. Guys, these are awesome, and I love them, and I'm so excited to share them with you as a thank you for sending money for the fire victims, everything these people have been through, guys. We love y'all. This is going to be an amazing mission trip. God has really worked this out. There's no way without God that I would have ended up with this much cash in my hand for jobs that I did. They all came together at one time, and I'm so thankful. I told somebody the other day, there has been more pushback about this mission trip than any of the others, but I'm seeing God's miracle working hand all the way through.